Have you ever been bored and binge watch some Netflix movies or random videos on the internet for hours nonstop? I'm in the same boat. However, I recently discovered a free approach that allows you to earn money simply by doing so. The nicest aspect is that you can usually choose a topic for your videos. This has been time tested and I'll show you how to do it yourself. So stay tuned to finish off the video to guarantee you don't miss anything important. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything and how you can earn quick money online. Now, just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. So I'm going to show you 5 legitimate platforms for making money while watching videos. Let's get started with the websites right away. The first website we will visit today is earnovely.com. After visiting it, you can easily establish an account for free by clicking on Sign Up right there. Then following the steps and information required, which is, by the way, extremely simple to do, but I won't show you how to do it right now, so as not to take up too much of your time. After you've created your Earnovely account, all you have to do now is log in. After that, you'll be sent to your dashboard. When you get to your dashboard, click on Earn and then Videos to get started. So you may make money just by watching videos right now. So that's the only thing you have to do on with this website. You simply need to sign up, then go to the Videos section and then select a video to begin watching. To be clear, you won't make hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars doing this. In fact, you might just make a couple of dollars on the site. But that's fine because you're just getting started. Let's go on to the next site, which is called superpay.me. This is a good place to get money while viewing videos as well. You can get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus right now if you sign up within the next 24 hours, as you can see. However, I believe you may establish an account on this website without any assistance. But for the time being, I'm just going to get into my account and then show you how you may earn money by watching movies. I'll show you that this website is also legitimate before we move on to my account. People are getting paid with actual money. As you can see on your screen, they are paid via PayPal or Skrill. However, the vast majority of these individuals get paid via PayPal. Anyway, here's how my account appears. And then exactly like on the previous page, hover your mouse over Offer Walls and then click on Engage Videos, which will lead you to the video section. This website, on the other hand, allows you to choose the topic of the films you're about to watch, making it far more enjoyable and preferable than the first. Let's have a look at how you can go about doing that. It will match the previous website with its functions. You can select a topic and then click on any of these videos to return to the videos section and watch the video. To remind you, you must register for an account in the videos section in order to receive your points. With being said, I'd like to emphasize the importance of following all the processes outlined in this video in order to be successful. And once you've accumulated some points on this website, all you have to do is to go to the rewards and then click withdraw your cash right there. In conclusion, for the second platform, that's all there is to say. Before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Now, let's move on to the third website. Inboxdollars.com is the name of this platform, and it's one of the greatest of the 5 I'm showing you today. This is a well-known website that a large number of people already use. You can get a $5 sign-up bonus right now, as you can see. However, just to let you know upfront, you'll need to earn $10 on this website to cash out. But as you can see right here, they have projects that pay far more than $10. It says get paid to watch TV, do surveys, shop, and take advantage of cash deals. However, in this strategy, you will only be watching TV or videos. Let's take a look at how this works in practice. Companies pay them per customer input. We recruit members like you, and you'll undertake online activities, and you can earn actual money, not points, for this platform. This is one of the things I enjoy about it. It will pay you in real money. There are no rewards or gift certificates, only cash. You may not find out how to make this money by scrolling down. We're focusing on watching videos and being paid for them once again. it's available to read there. Big branded firms want people to watch brief pieces of their material, such as a movie trailers or a new product feature. They pay us and we split a portion of those earnings with you. It reads right here. You'll get portion of the payout. But right now, if you want to get that $5 right away, go down to the bottom of the page and look for the sign up button. In connection, this website has existed for more than 2 decades. They've been there since 2000 and they're the real deal. As a result, you can go ahead and make some good money on the site. The one is called inboxdollars.com once more. Now it's time to move on to the 4th platform of the day. Swagbox.com is the name of this website. You may earn gift cards and cash for the activities you do on the internet every day. You can earn points by shopping online, watching interesting videos, searching the web, completing surveys, and finding fantastic deals. But on the other hand, you may just concentrate on viewing videos. After that, you'll receive points for watching videos, which you can then exchange for PayPal cash. You can also exchange your points for Amazon gift cards. Now, to sign up, just scroll down to the bottom of the website and click on this button right here that says Sign Up Now. And it'll be free, so you can do it right now and on your own if you want to, in order to start earning on this website right away. Right now, we've reached the final website of the day, PikuWorkers.com. This is an excellent website for earning your first cash online. People are performing easy tasks on this website. You simply need to visit the website, follow the instructions, and you will be able to earn real money. These are little jobs. However, you may also click on continuing jobs that will pay you a little more. However, if you're looking to make your first dollar, you should take on the tiny jobs. They're also rather straightforward to finish. So if you're looking to make your first dollars online, sign up with Piku Workers right now, which I know you'll be able to manage on your own. And that sums up our entire video. After all of that, I want you to create an account on each of the 5 platforms I've mentioned, so you may start earning big amounts of money online simply by watching videos. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know the easiest methods in making money online.